capping rule. So here the osmium 7 CO21. So how many electrons of the osmium valency? 6 electrons. 6 electrons from the 5d, 6 6 and 6 2 2. So 6 plus 2 8 electrons. How many metal atoms is there? 7. So 7 into 8 56 and 21 of carbonate. So 21 into 2 42. So total is 98. So the total electron count, what is the formula? Total electron count is equal to skeletal electron plus non-skeletal electrons. So 2 into n plus 1 plus 12 into n. So here the skeletal electrons 2 into n plus 1 and 12 into number of metal atoms. Capital N is nothing but metal atoms. How many is there? 7. So 12 sevens are 84, and again 98 minus 84 is again 14 electrons. So this 14 electron is fixed for any cluster. So if it does not get the 14 electrons from any of the skeletal electrons for a complex, so we've done any mistake in this case only. That means you get any mistake in the configuration. So once you check back and get the 14 electrons, again the number of skeletal electron pairs is nothing but 14 by 2, it is nothing but 7. But the number of vertices is equal to number of skeletal electron pair minus 1. 7 minus 1, how much we get? 6. So the vertices here, already I told you, if it is a closed octahedral structure, it's a complete the 6 vertices is present in a cluster. So this type of clusters is called as closed. So if you remove one of the electron from the parent closed structure, we called as how many metal atoms? 5. So this type of structure is called as nido. So it is explained in the Watt's rules also. Again, if you remove another more electron, so we get how many metal atoms? 4 metal atoms. So this type of structures we called as arachno. So in the one of the example of the nido structure is nickel 5CO12 times 2 minus. So again we draw the structure. So number of vertices is how much? We going to back, as number of vertices is 6, but the metal atoms here 7 only. So the one more metal atom is appended. Appended means, already I told you. So in the hydral position is nothing but one of the face of the octahedral. This hydral is occupied by the one metal atom. So the resultant structure, so the capping atom is mono capped structure. It is nothing but monoclosed capped structure. So again we draw the structure of the octahedral complex like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So again we draw this point to this point and this point to this point. So how many faces? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So hydral means it is a triangular face, each face containing 3 metal atoms. So these 3 metal atoms is appended or add the one of the metal atom is osmium 7 CO21. So this is the structure of a particular complex. So this is called as monocapped octahedral. Again it is closed type structure. It is closed type structure.